no, there's actual cars.
Oh, it smells so good.
Got this sexy Ferrari. I don't know, would you guys choose this over the F12? Let me know. Pista? Kenny! Look, he got his windows rolled up. What's up, sexy?
What's
How's it
sexy?
going, beautiful?
What's going on, man?
You want this spot behind you?
They got one right there, too, bro. They got one right there.
That does look sexy as hell.
Oh, things are coming out.
He's getting the D, guys.
He's getting the D so bad. He don't even know
Yes.
what's about to happen to him.
He's going hard.
Here comes Austin Powers.
Austin Powers this time. Yeah.
Actual side.
Yes. Good. Hello Kitty car is awesome. Oh, I'm in your shot. Yes. Rule number 1, don't get gapped by a pink car. All right, cowboy. Since we're good friends, I'm giving you the D. You're gonna enjoy it. Oh. Turn those balls around. Oh, yeah. Yep, you're
Got
getting the
it.
D. Enjoy
Got it.
I'm on the Facebook page following like the movie.
All right, guys. Name this car. I want you guys to name it. Leave in the comments below. What is the name of this car?
You got to keep one, you have to sell one, you have to destroy one. All right. What up, guys? We're here with Travaris. We're going to do keep, sell, destroy.
Destroy.
Yes, destroy that all day, every day. Like and hyper?
Sell.
Yeah. See, I don't like it either. No.
Yeah.
No. Okay, so this is yours. This is all yours.
Keep.
I think that's a win.
All right, that is one clean Chevy.
That is a beautiful Dodge Challenger.
It is. Beautiful Dodge Challenger.
Super sport.
Yeah.
He's got Freddy.
Yes. Oh, you got an ugly dog too. Yep. I don't know, I never really got into the classics like this, but these are really nice.
Yep.
5 spokes.
240s.
Oh yeah.
I believe it. And it really isn't that warm today. It's only get up 55. I know.
Ooh, ATF. All things fat.
I was going to make a left turn, cross back over, and go
Yeah.
back to
This is a real nice Supra.
side street.
Big old turbo. Van Zan. Yep, good Connie. Yep, the Bandit. Yes. DeLorean. All right, you got your classic movie cars. You got the DeLoreans. You got the Trans Am from Smokey and the Bandit. We already seen the other DeLorean and the Blues Brothers car. Now you got this one.
It's a classic movie car.
It is. Very much classic.
And a super rare. We've seen the car from the Wraith, the Interceptor. That's man. We've hit a bunch of old 80s movies, man. It's been awesome.
It's a nice
collection. We do a lot of Iron Gate. We go to the Autobahn a lot. Film stuff. Ride with friends. Just a lot of the Chicagoland car stuff, and we just not gotten up here yet.
Chicagoland scene. All right.
Yeah, and we love all the Cannonball stuff. And
this was going on up here.
Right.
Yeah.
And then that's the P1 from Gumball, correct?
Yeah. So our customer, we've done a little bit of work. We just put new seats in this thing. But yeah, last year he took actually Jordan, who kind of like runs the front office.
Okay.
Him and the customer went on Gumball 3000 in that car.
Yeah, the U.S. tour, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I know. I watched it because I love the Gumball and I watch a lot of that stuff when it comes up. So it was cool that we had such a local car. And then that one went to the event 2, right, in Ohio. I believe
no,
it.
I don't think that one was there.
No. Okay.
I mean, it's possible. I lose track of what.
Yeah,
but yeah, Gumball 3000 is like the last thing on my bucket list. Yeah, I've done Gold Rush a bunch of times.
Yes.
I love that event, but like Gumball is like the one thing that I haven't done yet.
It is.
And of course, and that's why I gave Jordan a hard time when he got to go. Like he's done Ultimate Road Rally with me and stuff, but all of a sudden, like, how are you going on Gumball 3000?
Right. And
I should be going.
Yeah, so it's like I want to go, but I love
good for him though.
that. No, that's amazing. But I love the mix of cars you guys work on. From just a little bit here and there.
We try to stay with just McLarens.
I've noticed that. Yeah, I see you guys do a lot of McLaren work.
That's pretty much all I try to do. But I'm the co-founder of AMS, and I left there 6 years ago. So my guys we know GTRs.
You know GTRs.
So people find out. So we work on a handful of GTRs. For the most part, it's McLarens.
Yeah.
These days you got to specialize.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, I mean it's just. And what a car to specialize in! My gosh. Yeah. I think McLaren's by far
for the money, it's the best driving experience, sexiest car for the money.
Gosh, yes. The colors and I just can't stop looking. I can't stop looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, when that was kind of a weird one. He called in, he's like, hey, I got this collection put out. He's like, I see you working on a lot of nice cars. I'm really particular about my car.
Right.
And I normally wouldn't take anything goofy in like that, but we're like, R34, that's pretty freaking cool.
That's pretty neat. I got you on that. But well, it's nice talking to you. Thank you so much for your time, man.
Yeah, take a look.
And just gonna cruise it real fast.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Ooh, look at these cars. Now we gotta get to show you up close. We met the guy, we met the man, the myth, the legend behind Cannonball. So let's take a look at what they work on.
Yep. Here's our friend Dustin's car, the Joker Mobile.
Still one of the sexiest wraps.
Yeah. I still love the way it's wrapped. Green with the purple accents. Yeah.
A couple years ago, really got into start watching Gumball since a lot of guys started posting stuff on YouTube. And unbeknownst to us, we had a local car that actually went out on Gumball. And crazy enough to go on Gumball, even crazier, you take a McLaren P1.
Oh yeah.
This one did the U.S. tour, and from I think Canada down to Miami or something like that. So, but could you imagine doing Gumball in a McLaren P1? All right, act like we were gonna walk around back here and not notice the elephant in the room. Not often do you see the R34s stateside, except if you got them back in the day from Motorex, which this one might be that case because this has been in the Chicagoland area for a while, I believe. And what a surprise to see it here.
Yep, a little bit of transmission work going on. They dropped it. They put a new clutch in there too, Eric.
Yeah.
Yep. So I guess it's in there for transmission work. As you can see, it does have a new clutch put in, new flywheel with the Nismo wheels.
The person with the camera has to
We survived. No one saw the D.
I feel like if the person with the camera just had a camera like this,
A little more. Oh, that's it. You guys hear that?
What?
Ah!
What?
It's silly.
Yes. It's not your ordinary white van.
Yeah, dude, it goes, man. Like, it's wild.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I mean, all the intercooler stuff is all custom.
I feel like this would gap the McLaren. I don't know.
It is still 6,500 pounds, or like 10,000 pounds.
Yeah,
now.
but it has way more torque though.
Yeah, maybe off the line for a moment.
I don't know. McLaren has a pretty good launch, but
Yeah, it's got launch control too.
The P1 right now.
it would be the P1. Absolutely, yeah. It
turn
could
it on.
tow the P1.
Yes,
It could tow the P1.
tow a few P1s.
That's right.
Okay,
There's your first choice.
what do we got? I'm selling that for sure.
Okay, we're gonna sell.
Yep.
Yep, I can barely see the sun.
Yeah.
Roll again here.
All right, here we go. Wow, is that
It's a boat.
It's a boat car.
It's a Challenger.
Oh, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping
Okay,
it.
you can
That's
keep the
great.
boat car. Roll again. You were.
Okay, well now I have to crush that,
You
right?
got you. Oh my gosh, you
Oh,
have
it's
to
an
destroy
old
that.
Toyota.
Yeah,
Oh my
that's
god,
the
a
2000
GT. I feel horrible
You
now.
took. That's a big L.
I would have crushed the boat had I known that was the next car.
But that's the game.
Ah.
You lose.
All